how to recover suspended Instagram account. So first things first is you won't be able to do anything from the application itself because the account is being suspended. So what you want to do is just simply pull up any preferred web browser that you have in your device. Then what you want to do next is just simply type in Instagram Support Center. Choose on the very first link that will redirect you to Instagram support, and then in here just simply type in recover account. Now you're going to be seeing a bunch of options, but the one that you'll need to choose is under disabled Instagram account. Take note that you should only be doing this method if you didn't do anything wrong with their community standards. So just simply scroll down and hit on no, go on other, and then you just have to be specific on the small box right here, and then just wait for the Instagram support team to get back to you on what will be your next actions. And that's basically it. That's the only thing that you can do for you to recover your suspended Instagram account.